What's good, guys? So the graphic design contest continues. In this episode, we will be creating a t-shirt design. In the link in the description, there's a t-shirt mockup, a font, and a few resources. Give out your best by creating a very dope t-shirt design with the resources provided. Create only 2 color samples as the final work. The contest starts today, Thursday, 1st September 2022, and ends on Monday, 5th September 2022. You can send your final work to me on Instagram or on WhatsApp. Good luck to you all.